This video, I'm going to show you how you are going to filter your email account or Gmail account to different labels. Okay, so once you are in your Gmail account, you can filter it by three different ways. One is through by settings. In the settings, you can click that one and click on See All Settings. Now, once you are in the See All Settings, you can go to the filter and block addresses. And you can see here, I do not have any filter right now. And then you can start making a filter by the create a new filter. You can do it like from a website or an email account or a subject or words in it. And then once you filter it, for example, with the email account, example, this email, and then you can search, then it will filter. Now, another way to search or filter it is by the arrow down key in the search mail box. Now you can arrow down and then it will start creating when you try to create a filter. Now it's the same way as the fastest way to filter it out is just clicking on the message and then you can click the more button, go to filter messages like these, and then create the filter. Click the create filter. Now, before going all forward, so you can say when a message is an exact match as like this, like an email, you can skip for this one. I will skip the inbox, and then I want to apply a label. Okay, so right now I do not have any label, so add new label. For this one, I want to create it as from my work is the iSchool. Okay, so create, and then so right now it has its label, and then I want to apply it to all of my messages that is exactly the same. Okay, exactly the same from this email address. Okay, so can start creating a filter. Okay, now once it's done, you may see in the inboxes. Okay, so in my inbox, there's no more from that email account. It's all in this label.